Gazing into the vastness of the cosmos, one cannot help but be awestruck by the sheer scale of creation. Among the celestial wonders that grace our solar system stands Jupiter, the largest planet, a colossal gas giant whose very presence dictates a profound order. Its swirling storms and immense magnetic field hint at a power beyond our comprehension. Jupiter's majesty is not merely aesthetic, it is a testament to the intricate and deliberate design established by Allah, SWT, orchestrating the movements and interactions of celestial bodies with unparalleled precision. To grasp Jupiter's significance, we must first appreciate its sheer magnitude. With a diameter 11 times that of Earth and a mass 2.5 times greater than all the other planets combined, Jupiter is less a planet and more a mini-solar system in its own right. This immense size and mass are not random occurrences, they are part of the meticulous blueprint, demonstrating the Creator's ability to establish structures of such grandeur. This colossal scale enables Jupiter to exert a dominant gravitational influence, shaping the paths of countless objects around it. Jupiter serves as the gravitational anchor of the outer solar system. Its immense pull affects the orbits of all other planets, subtly tugging at them and stabilizing their paths around the Sun. Without this colossal presence, the delicate orbital dance established by the Creator would quickly descend into disarray. Each planet's journey around our star is finely tuned, and Jupiter plays an integral role in maintaining this celestial harmony. This precise arrangement is not a product of chance but a clear indicator of intelligent design, a system perfectly balanced. One of Jupiter's most crucial roles, a testament to the Creator's protective design, is its interaction with the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. Its powerful gravity prevents these rocky remnants from coalescing into a fifth terrestrial planet, instead scattering them and, more importantly, acting as a cosmic sweeper. Jupiter either ejects potentially hazardous asteroids out of the inner solar system entirely or draws them into its own orbit. This protective mechanism significantly reduces the number of dangerous impacts that might otherwise threaten Earth. Now, let us consider the profound hypothetical: what if, in an instant, Jupiter simply ceased to exist? The immediate effects would be imperceptible to the naked eye on Earth, yet catastrophic gravitational tremors would ripple throughout the solar system at the speed of light. The planets, no longer feeling Jupiter's immense pull, would begin to subtly deviate from their established paths. This sudden void would be a shocking disruption to the divinely established order, like removing a foundational pillar from a meticulously crafted structure, setting in motion a chain of unprecedented events. The most significant immediate consequence would be the destabilization of planetary orbits. While Earth's orbit wouldn't immediately spiral out of control, the intricate gravitational dance that maintains its stability would be fundamentally altered. Over decades and centuries, our planet's elliptical path around the Sun would gradually become more eccentric, perhaps even more inclined. This subtle shift, a departure from the precise orbital parameters established by Allah, SWT, could lead to extreme variations in solar radiation reaching Earth, with dire implications for climate and life. With Jupiter gone, the asteroid belt would lose its shepherd. Billions of rocky fragments, once held in check or directed away, would now be free to wander. The resonant gravitational forces that kept them largely confined would vanish. This would lead to a dramatic increase in collisions within the belt itself, sending a surge of debris careening inwards towards the inner solar system, including Earth. It would be a profound disruption of the protective mechanism divinely established, turning a relatively stable region into a chaotic zone of potential cosmic projectiles. The immediate aftermath would witness a noticeable uptick in meteor showers, as smaller debris from the agitated asteroid belt enters Earth's atmosphere. However, the true threat lies in larger impactors. Over geological timescales, the frequency of planet-altering asteroid strikes on Earth would increase dramatically, perhaps by a factor of 10,000. This sudden vulnerability to cosmic bombardment, previously mitigated by Jupiter's presence, would be a stark reminder of the intricate and wise design that protected our planet, a design now fundamentally altered. Beyond the asteroid belt lie even more distant reservoirs of icy bodies, the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. These regions are home to countless comets, remnants from the early days of the solar system, established by the Creator. Jupiter's massive gravitational field currently acts as a gatekeeper, deflecting many of these icy wanderers away from the inner solar system. Without Jupiter, the delicate balance that keeps these icy objects largely confined would be shattered, opening a new front in Earth's vulnerability to celestial bombardment. Long-period comets, typically originating from the distant Oort cloud, are particularly concerning. While rare, their impacts can be devastating. Jupiter's gravity currently plays a crucial role in preventing these icy bodies from being perturbed into trajectories that would send them hurtling towards the inner planets. The absence of this grand protector would mean a significantly higher probability of these dirty snowballs embarking on collision courses with Earth, posing an existential threat that highlights the Creator's wisdom in designing Jupiter's protective role. Over millennia, Earth's orbit, once a model of stability, would begin a slow, inexorable drift. Without Jupiter's stabilizing influence, gravitational perturbations from other planets, particularly Saturn, would accumulate. This could lead to a highly elliptical orbit, carrying Earth far closer to the Sun at times, then swinging it out into the frigid depths of space. Such extreme variations, a departure from the Creator's established habitable zone, would render our planet uninhabitable, making its surface either scorched or frozen, unable to sustain life as we know it. The consequences of frequent large impacts, whether from asteroids or comets, would be catastrophic for Earth's environment. A major strike could trigger impact winters, where vast quantities of dust and aerosols are ejected into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing global temperatures to plummet. This would lead to widespread ecosystem collapse, mass extinctions, and a profound alteration of the planet's climate systems. Such events would erase the delicate environmental balance so wisely established by Allah, SWT, for the sustenance of life. For any surviving life forms, the challenges would be immense. The loss of consistent sunlight, extreme temperature fluctuations, and continuous atmospheric disruption would test resilience to its absolute limits. Food chains would shatter, and the very conditions necessary for complex life to thrive would diminish. This scenario highlights the profound wisdom behind the Creator's design of Jupiter as a protector, ensuring a relatively stable environment for life to flourish on Earth. Without it, the ongoing saga of life would be under relentless siege. Even our closest celestial companion, the Moon, would not be immune to Jupiter's disappearance. Its orbit around Earth, while primarily influenced by our planet, is also subtly affected by the gravitational fields of other large bodies in the solar system. Without Jupiter, the Moon's orbital stability could be marginally compromised over vast timescales. This highlights how every element in the celestial machinery, however seemingly distant, contributes to the overall order and balance established by the Creator, influencing even local dynamics. In the long term, the entire architecture of the solar system would be profoundly reordered. Planets might collide, be ejected from the solar system entirely, or settle into new, unstable orbits. The intricate, predictable clockwork that has defined our cosmic home for billions of years would be irrevocably broken. This emphasizes that the current configuration, with Jupiter as its majestic guardian, is not a coincidence but a foundational element of the Creator's design, enabling the conditions for life to exist and thrive on Earth. The hypothetical disappearance of Jupiter serves as a profound thought experiment, revealing the immense wisdom embedded in the creation of our universe. Its existence, its colossal size, and its specific orbital placement are not random. Rather, they are vital components of a meticulously crafted system, a protective shield established by Allah, SWT, to safeguard the delicate environment of Earth. This realization deepens our appreciation for the intricate balance and profound foresight woven into the fabric of creation, far beyond human comprehension. Every detail, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, operates within a framework established by the Creator. Jupiter's role as the solar system's grand protector is just one stunning example of this intelligent and benevolent design. Its absence would not merely be a loss, it would unravel the very tapestry of stability that allows life to flourish here on Earth. Thus, Jupiter stands as an ever-present reminder of Allah, SWT's infinite power and wisdom, a silent guardian whose existence ensures our own.